Hey, so today we're going to be demoing the new search arena tool that we're making at the MongoDB hackathon. Essentially, we're trying to evaluate multiple different agents like Perplexity, Exa, Brave, You, and a bunch of other agents on their ability to search the web. And essentially what we built here today is a very simple way to access multiple browser agents at the same time and essentially use them to compare outputs from one another. So this is the GitHub repo. You can go here, install some of the requirements, and then once you do, you can simply download Streamlit, pip install Streamlit. So you pip install Streamlit, and then you run the Streamlit app, and then basically the terminal is going to pop up, or the UI. Basically how it works is you can just type in like what is your query, and we're going to evaluate multiple of these browser agents at the exact same time. So here, check it out. We're saying what is the Swarms framework, and we're going to pitch. We're going to send our query to multiple different browser agents. We don't know which one it is. It's anonymous, so it doesn't hinder your ability to find the best one. And so here we can evaluate the output. So here saying Swarms framework is a platform that allows for the creation of web agents that can scale transparently through a unique portable continuation. And so, these are kind of bad. So we're just going to run it again, see what happens. And you could rate them essentially every single week or month. We're going to come out with the results to find which is the best performing browser agent. So these are still bad. And so our long-term ambition with this project is to essentially evaluate enough of these outputs to train the best browser search research agent so that you can essentially look up the web and find things that you want to find much faster and much more reliably. So this is, output A is pretty good here. We're going to run it again. Now let's see. How do you build tools with the Swarms framework? We're going to run that and see what happens. Let's see. Let's see if it gets it right. So sometimes it'll output code, sometimes it won't. Every time it does it, output code. There you go. But that's still not the right one. Okay. This is much better though. So the whole reason why we're making this is to essentially help you discover information on the web much more simply. Discovering information on the web is very hard, especially for developers. If you're a developer, you have to look up you have to look up APIs, SDKs. It's a mess. It gets very complicated very, very quickly. So essentially what we're trying to do is we're trying to make it very simple for you to discover information on the web using LLMs. And so we're going to run it again, see what happens. Boom, there you go, got it right. So Solve B is better this time. And essentially every single week or month, we're gonna just upload the data set publicly, so you could train your own browser research agent if you want to. Yeah, so thanks. This is Kai, and if you have fun, you should check out the Swarms framework. This is powered by Swarms. If you want a QR code that you can scan, here is a little code. So just scan that. All right, yeah, so scan this, get started with the Swarms framework. Swarms is fun. We're pumping out here at these hackathons, building a lot of stuff. All right, have a good day. Bye-bye.